Triple M was just like this, guys.
I will not join IML. Say it. Yo.
Hey, what's good, everybody? This your man, Prophet Zones, and Prophet's not for Professor, but for Prophets. And yeah, guys, we back at it. Episode 5. Yeah, guys, let's get into it. Today, so we're basically gonna be doing a short one, right? So I'm just gonna go through some influencers / traders or I don't know, guys. Because some of you guys say they just influencers, some of you guys say they just traders, so yeah. But we're going to be going through their first videos on YouTube. So this is going to be an interesting one. So yeah, guys. Hey, guys, mind my camera quality. I need to do something about this, you know. I need to do something, but I will. Trust me, as the videos go on. So yeah, guys, with that said, let us get straight into it. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let me put myself all the way down there, right? Whoa, not down there. Put myself down here. That'll make some sense, right? Is that cool? All right, clean. So, let's see. Let's first go with LamboRaul. Let's go to LamboRaul, guys. LamboRaul. Yeah, let's click on LamboRaul. Mr. Raul. Mr. Bugatti. The only LamboRaul with a Bugatti. I'm just kidding, guys. Hopefully it's actually his. Unlike some yeah. Anyways, hey guys, hey, me, I don't have a Bugatti. Let me not get into it. So yeah, as you can see, this is your man LamboRaul, and let's go to the oldest video. So you see, guys, I clicked on oldest, right? So this is his first video on YouTube, right? Hopefully it's his first. So let's just click on it.
What's good, everybody? So I'm pretty much going to be breaking down how I did make $22,000 within a span of, I believe, a week, just trading the S&P 500 index.
Look at the boy. Look at the boy. God damn it. Hey, guys. Time flies. 4 years ago, he looked like this.
Now, you know, for those of you that saw my Instagram post, you know, I'll probably put like a little snippet of it here on the screen.
Guys, I'm not going to watch it all. I'm just going to skim through. Right? So, yeah, y'all guys can go watch to see their videos when they first started. Out trading or influencing or both or whatever it is that they're actually doing. But I like his zones. His zones are quite clean.
Or maybe like play the actual video itself. So 2% of around 100 zone. First of all, kind of skipping that.
Let's go to the most replayed. Yeah, nice zones. Basically breakout and retest on EMA. Guys, I actually was trading like this, and I still am. But then there's a twist to my type of thing, because you know everybody kind of has a different perspective when it comes to the charts. But yeah, this works, guys. If you actually know how to mark out your SNR levels and follow at least 1 or 2 EMAs, then you could actually get like 1 or 2 good trades a week with this type of approach, you know, depending on what time frame, of course. The lower the time frame, the more trades you can find, but the higher the time frames, the less trades you can find. So let's go to the most replayed. There we go.
Video, right? So I like to put my fibs from the lowest point prices move to the highest point, right? So this would be our higher low, this would be our higher high point, right? And price came back to this 38.20. Now the way I like to trade as well is I like to add multiple confluences together to increase the probability of the trade. So I'll only take a position when price is pretty much, or when I have pretty much 3 confluences. So what are my confluences for this trade? One, where
3 confluences, which is basically support and resistance, moving average, and fibs.
At a previous level all
This
that
is
on
dope,
a
guys.
day-to-day
This is
basis.
dope.
Now,
Those
this is just a
lovely
very
trades, 'cause
simple
you can
video
tell that
explaining,
there's actually
how
quite
I
a
did
few
make
trades within this setup.
$22,000 within the last,
There's a few trades you
couple
could
of
have
days
got,
trading.
But shout out to LamboRaul. Shout out to LamboRaul. Let's go to the most controversial guy. MambaFX. Trader, influencer, I don't know. You guys can comment down below. But yeah, let's go to videos. Oldest 4 years ago. Funny enough, LamboRaul also had his first video 4 years ago. How I made 3K in 1 hour trading Forex. My exact strategy.
Are you tired of being broke and ready to make some money?
Are you? Guys, let me move this camera a bit. There we go. Are you tired of being broke? Let me check if I'm still in the frame. Are you tired of being broke?
If you want to get a Lamborghini like this,
Want to get a Lamborghini like LamboRaul?
you can't really see it because behind his mouth, but there's a Lamborghini there, trust me. Tired of being broke and you want to turn your ATM into a phone? Check this out. Join my IML team.
He was doing IML. Wait.
No, but on a serious note, repeat after me. I will not join IML. Say it. Yo, what is poppin' Snake Gang? I hope you guys are all having a great day.
This guy, he said on us, don't join IML. Guys, IML is like, remember Triple M? Remember Triple M here in South Africa? Yeah, IML is
No.
basically
We can't
that.
use
Now, I just went to the most replayed part. I just wanted to
just
see
this as a confirmation. So here's how I ended up scalping this. I went to my 5-minute time frame and I waited for something to set up. But not only that, I also went ahead and took a look at my OBV. Look at this. From here to here, lower low. Look at the OBV. Higher low. That is a huge sign of reversal. And that's bearish divergence for you right there. And that's already a sign that this market is going to reverse to the upside. So now that we have two...
So he uses OBV.
confirmations, I'm gonna wait for a perfect entry. So what did I do from here? Let's go ahead and by the way, this is replay mode, so I can show you guys
Mamba.
exactly. And boom, kept going up. Right here, I'm taking profit from here to here.
Second was
Lower
replayed.
highs. Look at this though, from here to here, higher highs. That is a sign
Divergence.
of bearish continuation trends. I mean, this is so simple. Now, we could have easily entered here for a sell, just to scalp this thing and just keep eating. Look at this. Let's see what would have happened if we would have got in for a nice little sell here. And I didn't even look at this, so I don't know exactly what's going to happen
So he's
here. I don't know
back
if we're gonna
testing.
take- This was worth, boom, 180 pips and 2 trades. And I didn't even call this out. I should have, but of course, coming on all of this soon. So that's going to be out there soon. Like I said,
Okay, Mamba. Let's go look at Q. Let's go look at CueBanks. Not CueBanks strategy. Okay, but as long as I just... No, not CueBanks strategy, man. We're looking for his channel. CueBanks channel. Videos and oldest video. 14 years. No wonder this guy is the father of Forex. 14 years ago. Wait, I don't think this was trading. 100-meter run.
Two niggas lane, Q versus Maurice. It's going
Guys, this
down.
was 2010.
See who the fastest.
Let's see who's the fastest. Was it Q?
And there you go. You have the winners of these two, Q and Maurice.
Who was the fastest?
And there you go. You have the winners of these two, Q and Maurice.
Yeah, guys, I didn't catch that. But let's go back to oldest video and watch the first MCA overview with Q. What was MCA?
What's up? What's up? This is Quillen Black with MCA, Motor Club of America. Just making a quick video, just kind of describing the company, because there's like a lot of skeptics out there. A lot of people that call it a scam and this and that, this and that. The company is pretty simple. Roadside assistance, similar to AAA, but just like with a lot more benefits, such as income opportunity. The company itself, it's $40 to sign up. $40. That's it. Whenever we bring one person into the company, we get a commission of $80.
Oh, so Triple M was just like this, guys. Triple M was just like this. Whenever you bring up your father, your mother, your cousins, your brother, your aunties, your sisters, your Dannies. Yeah, basically MCMA was just like Triple.
You have nothing to lose. What's next? Homeless? Activity.
CueBanks has been a hustler, guys. CueBanks has been a hustler. Let's see his first trading video. Also, he was doing MCA payouts and all of that. Let's see his first trading video. Put it back. Welcome to Forever Profits. 9 years ago. Forever in Profit.
How we teach that is basically through our webinars. We have webinars going every Sunday and Monday. Sometimes we have more than one webinar. It's not just me and Q. It's 4 trainers in the group. It's Marco Pitts, Rico, me, which is Ryan, and Q, which is also CueBanks.
And we've been trading together for a while, actually. Not everybody knows that.
Guys, these guys have been pushing.
But at the same time,
hey, these guys have been pushing. Oh, let's look at Jeffrey. Let's look at Jeffrey. Jeffrey Benson. Let's look at Jeffrey. Because you guys are going to say I'm just looking at Americans. Jeffrey's African. So let's look at Jeffrey. Videos. Oldest video. 6 years ago. 6 years ago. London breakout strategy.
Now, the recording is on. The recording is on. Okay, let's go. First, I'm Jeffrey Benson. Today, I want to talk on. This is the open, this is the close, and this is the low. So the next thing you're gonna do is to mark it up. Mark them all up. Mark it up.
So it's basically trading open, low, close. OHLC.
Set a buy stop if it's a short.
And then
sell it.
Yeah. So it's basically trading. It's basically trading candlesticks, guys. Like you just set up. If it's on a downtrend, you basically set a sell stop at the low of the at the current candle that just closed, right? And then if it breaks below, you trigger it to make money. If it doesn't, then you're not. So basically, that's what he was kind of doing here.
Sorry. Now you see, at this point, the stop loss should be the high.
London, yeah, it was like a breakout strategy, like a breakout of like the 1 hour, the 4 hour candle, which is basically like a session breakout type of thing. So check the news. That's the first thing he did. Mark up all the GBP pairs. Locate the OHLC 9 a.m. candle. As I said, I thought as much that it's a OHLC in the first hour of London and maybe New York. Determine whether it's long or short using the zigzag. So using basically a market structure. Set a pending order and stop loss should be below the previous, of course, high or low candle of 9 a.m. as he says, and then target 1:1. So it was a 1. Okay, that's actually quite dope for somebody that is starting to do YouTube videos. That's actually quite very dope.
See, this is how you're going to double your money. Double your money. That is, it moved 0.01. That's
what
about 160 people. I got it so early. And see you check. Thank you.
What's going on there?
It's so different. You can see, you just see this. Okay, now let me delete those.
Pattern, ABCD
this is
pattern.
my analysis, so you can see them
AB
properly.
equals DC type of thing. So ABC equals DEF. ABCD equals
Just hope you guys can see that.
EFG.
See
1,
that
2,
long
3
bearish
equals
candle.
4, 5, 6. Okay, guys. Should we check out? Should we check out one more? Should we check out more? Let's see. Kojo, maybe Kojo Forex. Let's check out Kojo Forex. Kojo. Let's check out Kojo.
See you guys.
4 years back as well, like LamboRaul and stuff.
What
Nice
is up,
story.
guys?
Let's just
My name
listen
is
to the
Kojo
intro.
Forex, aka GBP Trader, aka the Market Sniper, aka the Forex Assassin, aka King of Blues. I'm 27 years and I'm from Ghana, and for the past 7
Like, I like his hoodie, $1 million inside.
years I've been trading the Forex market. I'm so glad you guys are here watching my first YouTube video. So join me on my journey, sit back, relax, and enjoy. So I want to share with you guys
Nice
how I
intro.
got into Forex trading, and it dates back
Okay, let's go to the most
replayed
replayed if you can
2012
actually
thereabout,
find
when I was
Actually,
in
the
my
most
first year in
replays
University
was
of
the
Ghana.
intro. The most
Up to
replayed.
people that have really built successful careers in the industry, like African youth, to be able to be full-time professional traders and then work from the comfort of their home or wherever they feel comfortable and be independent on their own. So that's how come I even have this shirt here, right? $1 million for 1 million youth by the end of 2022. And that is the goal I believe that I can actively achieve when you guys subscribe to this channel, support me, and then
So
we'll
1
learn
million
and
views by the end of 2022. Oh, okay. Okay, Kojo. Oh, guys, let's look at Alex. Let's look at Alex G. FXAlexG. I'm sorry, bro. FXAlexG. Let's look at FXAlex, Mr. $100 to $1 million. Eesh. There's a lot going on here. 3 years ago, market breakdown.
Cool. So I'm gonna start the
Go to
recording.
most-
It makes sense to sell it here. It doesn't make sense to buy here. If you know how I always write down the confluences, like these were all the confluences that I went long, right, on Euro USD. Find me this many confluences here to go long. There won't be any. There won't be any at all. To go short here, there will be the equal amount. Does that make sense, guys? This is gonna be recorded. So, I mean, if you want to look at it.
So basically, guys, one thing I'm getting, let's look at one more. Let's look at GroundUp. One thing I'm getting is that a lot of guys trade market structure with some moving average. Basically, they kind of trade the same, and like a fib. Basically, most of these guys trade the same way. All right, that's one thing I'm getting. Oldest video. Whoa! Oh, bossing up with Drewiz. Guys, look who's in the cover. Anthony, Q, Drewiz, and Lambo. Let's check this out. How long was this? 3 years ago. Got a McLaurin. And you flown. Ooh. That's one thing I did see, guys. The same thing with Drew is you saw your key levels, your zones, your market structure, basically.
Definitely last day of the 5-day course, man, it was lit. Yo, Drew taught me a lot, like market structure and everything. I understand the time frames better. This course is definitely worth it. Pay that money, and then you're definitely gonna boss up, man. I promise you.
Last day of the 5-day course, man, I came here, I ain't know shit. I know a lot more now. If y'all got the money, invest into yourselves, get the 5-day.
Bring towards the table is everybody able to take away. So the biggest thing was everybody was able to take away. Everybody was able to do their breakdowns in front of 89 people, plus myself, plus the 16 people in the class. So damn near over 100 people getting knowledge, as well as everybody casting their knowledge that they learned from the 5-day course. So that shit was lit. You shouldn't
Niggas know that we don't play with it. Big 38 go home. 2 stripes, saucy. I keep my tech when I'm walking. Pick him up.
Bossing Up Academy. That was nice. Okay, guys, let's go analyze the DXY. Let's go analyze the DXY. That was kind of cool. Let's go analyze the DXY. Yeah, and there we go. So yeah, guys, here we are on the DXY. Remember that we've marked, let me get rid of these. Remember that we've marked out this low right here, which was on Tuesday, the 26th of December, 2023. Then we also marked out this low right here, which happened on July 10th, on a Monday, 2023. Right? So basically, you know what I like to say, guys. After a major low or high is violated, price will pull back to a degree, right? If it doesn't pull back, then it goes to the next zone. Basically, so now what we're looking for is price to pull back slightly up, right? On the weekly. Now let's try and make sense of that on the daily time frame. As you can see, the market failed to close above this green line that we have, which is that weekly low. It failed above, it created trend line liquidity. So basically a minor pullback to the upside. Oh, that was a bad drawing. But anyway, a minor pullback to the upside will make some sense, right? Or make some sense. But the thing is now, the pullback to the upside, we need to know where it's going to. Because we know that if markets close below this green line right here, then the odds are they're probably going to retest and then keep dropping up until that second green line, which is the low that was created on July 10th, 2023, right? So basically now what we're kind of looking at is if the market does pull back, where is it pulling back to, right? If the market pushes up right now, where is it pushing up to? So let's go look at the 4 hour and see if we have any points of interest. As you can see, we practically filled out every point of interest except the 50% of this candlestick right here. And the 50% of that, ironically so, meets up with the trend line to create more trend line liquidity, right? So looking at this to pull back up until there, and then if it violates that zone, we know that basically what it's heading for is the highs, the liquidity that's resting above here. And as it's going for liquidity that's resting above there, what is it going to tap into? It's going to tap into a fair value gap, which we have a nice one here, and then this one also there, but we've tapped into that a little bit. So to tap into that fair value gap right there. And if we look at that fair value gap, maybe on the 6 hour, let's say, just to see, I'm talking about upgrading TradingView, man. Okay, let's go back to the H4. I don't need to upgrade TradingView because I don't use TradingView. I just use it for you guys to analyze the DXY. I'm a meta quotes type person, you know, and all my clients know. But yeah, as you can see, that fair value gap right there, which is basically a nice supply zone. It's a lovely supply zone basically right here. So the market can easily just chase that supply zone, and then after it has reached that supply zone, then maybe we could look at some form of sellers. But if that supply zone is violated, then we know that, okay, now it wants to hunt this liquidity as well, the one that's resting above the supply zone, to again tap into this major demand zone that we've been reacting to. I mean, the supply zone that we've been reacting to for the past couple of weeks. Right, as you can see, every time we get into that zone right there, the price tends to react and push back down. So if they do chase this liquidity here, these stops that are right here, if they do chase that, then guess what, guys? We might be looking at the market pushing all the way up into that supply zone, and then from there, then we can look for sales. And this will make some sense because if we look at it at the what you call daily and weekly time frame, then that means that it will be just a pullback to the upside. And then the weekly time frame says it better, because that would mean we are slightly bullish for this week, right? So basically we can look for some bulls this week, But then, as we know, guys, on the H4 time frame, there's quite a few points of interest that we can look for, which trade ideas, no man, which basically is right here. Let me just grab my drawing tool, grab my brush. Where's my brush, guys? There we go. So we know it could be in this zone right here, 50% of this zone, and then the market starts trickling down, or it could be up here and the market starts trickling down, or it could be up here and then the market starts trickling down, right? So basically that's what we're kind of looking for. And those that are in my mentorship, we will be following USD CAD along the way so that so that we can actually keep track of it, sell it whenever it gives us entry confirmations and stuff like that, buy it whenever it gives us entry confirmations. So you guys that are in mentorship, you know how we do it. We basically follow the market day by day. So right here, I'm just giving you guys a glimpse of what I think of the DXY in terms of the direction for the week. So we might be looking at some polls maybe from like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Tuesday, Wednesday. You know, we might be looking at some polls coming in there. And yeah, guys, I really don't want to make this video too long, you know. So with that said, guys, hey man, this is your man Profit Zones, and Profit not for Professor, but for profits. Dango. Clean.